Hi, this is Lee with learningwithlee.com. We're going to talk about picking colors today. I just Googled CSS Color Picker. Google has their own right there. You use this little bar to choose like the base color, and then you can use this to pick like a hue that you like. And then you just copy this code. It's a 6-digit with letters and numbers, and you put it in. Remember, the color is font color, the color properties for font. What I had there before was 000, that's shorthand for black. You can put 6 zeros there, but black and white have a shortcut since they're the most common. 000 black, FFF is white. But it's 6 things, 6 letters, numbers there, and then you can get to see that in action. There, but we can't see it in action because I didn't save it. All right, here we go. Now we can see it in action. Here we got green font there. Let's go. Choose a different color. Dark. I'm going to choose this other thing. This is RGB color, which tells how much red, green, and blue there is in the color. It's another way to select the color. They're interchangeable on here. It's just different ways to do it. That's not what we want. We want the website. Alright, so that's the background color. Now, do you ever go to a website and it's like real awkward like this? It's like they learned how to change the color and they just wanted to do it, but they didn't think like why they should be doing it. You want your site to be readable. You want it to be attractive. You don't want people to be able to look at it and not get a headache. You want it to be easy to read, and you want it to express, create a feeling. It's a design element, having color on your page. We'll talk, let me just do it here. It's a website. I'll put the link on the blog. It's an easier way to give you the link. You can scroll through. These are just color palette ideas. Scroll through and look at websites that appeal to you, that are good for your, what you're trying to show. Are you trying to be fun and have bright yellows? Are you trying to be exciting and have reds? Are you trying to be, peaceful? Are you trying to show sophistication with your grays and blacks? Things like that. And you can pay attention to commercials and see what colors they use, what the professionals use. But here are, ideas. It gives you those codes for the colors they used for their website. So this is just like inspiration and design ideas for those of us who aren't so good at the design stuff themselves. Okay, so here's another place where you can choose colors. You drag around these things and then it shows you other colors that scientifically are supposed to go together with it. There's different options here, monochromatic, just different versions of the green, or complementary colors, things like that. Okay, so you can just play around, and that'll help you choose colors that go together. If you scroll down, get your codes there. So hex, this is another thing. This is RGB hex. That's what that hashtag is. It's a hex number. Okay. So you just type in those codes. Remember, it's just interchangeable. Type in, and I'm not doing it. Well, if this copied and pasted, I'd be able to paste it in. You need the little hashtag there. The colors will show you if you did it right. Let's get something that's supposed to go with it. It's not letting me copy those all at once, so I'm not going to do those now. And that'll show up on your page. So color is font, background color is background color of whatever you're selecting. So it could be the whole page. Here it's a paragraph, so it shows up like a box on the page. This is not going, right, this purple box, right, it shows up. It's a way to make a box on your page, is using background color. Just while I'm here real quick, I will put links to these as well on the blog. These are just inspiration sites. You can just scroll through lots of sites to see how they designed it, just for ideas. This site's called Site Inspire. Like it's made to inspire your website design. All right. So go pick some colors and put them in. Use background color and use color. Try and get beautiful colors that go together. And I will see you next lesson.